how to multiply a whole column by a number. So for example, if you want to multiply with 1.7 increment, so select it, then copy. Now select entire column by clicking here. Now right click on it, paste special and multiply. Click on OK. So this will be new salary, and this is the method you can multiply entire column, and you will see this 0, and just you need to multiply where you have the data. So select that particular, firstly copy and drag and drop, and select your column where you have the data, then paste special, multiply, then click on OK. Thanks for watching.